What does it look like to arrive in Dubai during COVID-19? Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this week's video, we're actually coming back from the trip that we went together last week. If you didn't watch, you can see it right here. We are flying back to Dubai and I'm going to show you not only the flight experience, but how does it look like to arrive in Dubai airport and go through all the COVID-19 procedures. Are you ready to get back on board? Emirates Victor Charlie, shall we? You guys asked for economy, so economy, here we go. Wait, I want to say something before we continue with this video. As you know, the situation is changing almost every week. I'm about to show you what my experience looked like on the 15th of July, but I'm also leaving you a link down below for your reference closer to the day of your travel. Every passenger on the Emirates flights now receive this famous travel hygiene kit. They come with a mask, gloves, sanitizing wipes, and sanitizing gel. Okay friends, I just received these. So as you can see, the rules for arriving in Dubai are quite simple, and they're the same as the ones I explained on the YouTube video. To be honest, I'm very pleased with the economy meal. I don't see many changes. You see, we have quinoa, we have a nice fried chicken dish, some dessert. Yeah, I don't see much change here. It's pretty nice. The Emirates economy class crew never disappoints, and this one made my day. And now we'll start the COVID madness. And yes, there is a priority queue for business first and platinum members. Let me show you. So this is the queue. You can see it's much smaller than that one. That's the regular queue. And this is the fast track. The first step is to hand in that form that we filled on board, along with your passport or Emirates ID to the agent. He will encode it to the system, provide a label and a testing kit, which you will then give it to the nurse when you're ready for the test. So after you pass through this luggage screening, you see this part here is cordoned now, and we can only go this way. So there is another checkpoint over here to see that you actually filled that form that we received in London. Let's continue. And here is where the testing booths are. So let me head to mine. This is the tube that I received before immigration, and I'm handing to the nurse right now. Okay guys, very simple, a little discomfort, of course, but it took like 3 seconds. And now I'm heading to get my clearance, and I'm supposed to stay home until I receive the results. So after you get tested on the booths over there, this gentleman collects the paper and he adds a little sticker to your passport, and that's it. You are free to collect your luggage and go and stay home. I left the airport at 1 in the morning and received my results in less than 24 hours, which just set me free to go and enjoy Dubai. What did you think, friend? Is it worth traveling these days? Well, I personally think it is. And going back to the 3 points that I discussed with you when I reviewed the business class experience from Dubai to London Heathrow last week, I wanted to say that this time, the highlight of my experience was by far the crew. There is something about the simplicity of economy class that allows you to connect closer to the crew. And when it comes to safety, again, I felt pretty safe. And I also think that I receive a good value for money. And to me, it means that I'm not intending to stop flying. And to you, it means that the videos will continue to come. Next week, I'm taking you with me on the first Emirates A380 flight back to Cairo in a very long time. So if you want to see that, don't forget to subscribe, give a thumbs up, and leave your comment here. And friends, let's fly sometime soon.